Which sanctuary is known for the golden langur? Dibru-Soikwa, Kaziranga, Chakrasila, Nameri. Uddottor C. Chakrasila. How many districts are there in Assam as of 2025? 30, 34, 35, 31. Uddottor C. 35. Which party ruled Assam after independence in 1947? AJP, BJP, Congress, CPI. Uddottor C. Congress. Who is known as the architect of modern Assam? Tom Gogoi, Hitashwar Soikia, Gopinath Bordoloi, Vishnu Rabha. Uddottor C. Gopinath Bordoloi. Who was the first woman chief minister of Assam? Sushila Devi, Anwara Taimur, Rani Gaidinlu, Ajanta Neug. Uddottor B. Anwara Taimur. Which political party was found in Assam in 1985? BJP, AJP, TMC, INC. Uddottor B. AJP. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants special status to Assam? 371B, 370, 356, 368. Uddottor A. Article 371B. The Assam Legislative Assembly has how many seats? 124, 126, 128, 130. Uddottor B. 126. Who is the current Chief Minister of Assam 2025? Sarvananda Sonowal, Tom Gogoi, Himanta Biswa Sharma, Ronis Pegu. Uddottor C. Himanta Biswa Sharma. In which year was the Assam Accord signed? 1985, 1983, 1981, 1991. Uddottor A. 1985. Who is the Governor of Assam 2025? Gulab Chand Kataria, Banwari Lal Purohit, Jagdish Mukhi, Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Uddottor D. Lakshman Prasad Acharya. এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিও পাই থাকিবলৈ আমাৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লগতে বেল আইকন অন কৰি থব যাতে ভিডিওবোৰ আপলোড কৰাৰ লগে লগে আপোনালোকে নটিফিকেশ্যন পাবলৈ সক্ষম হয়। ধন্যবাদ।